give up. You have to be somebody that's, determined, somebody that's disciplined, somebody that's going to go out and make things happen, somebody who's not going to quit when times get tough. Because trust me, times are going to get tough, but you have to be able to persevere and not quit. If you're new here, my name is Taria. I'm an owner of adult day programs as well as a wife and a mom. I love helping aspiring providers build six-figure adult day programs serving adults with IDD. Today, I want to talk about what mindset is required to start a profitable adult day program in 2024. If you're ready to learn what mindset is required to start a profitable adult day program, then this video is for you. Here's what mindset is required to start a profitable adult day program. The 4 key indicators are: you got to know, you got to have, you got to be, and you got to provide. Number 1, know your why. Why are you starting an adult day program? Are you starting it for the right reasons? Are you starting it because you want to provide a service? You want to help adults with IDD reach their goals. You want to help and support adults with IDD and behavior management. You want to help and support adults with IDD to become as self-sufficient as possible, to make an impact in your community, to help them integrate into the community. Number 2, you have to persevere. So this starting an adult day program is not for the heart at weak. Don't be a quitter. You have to be somebody that's willing not to give up. You have to be somebody that's, determined, somebody that's disciplined, somebody that's going to go out and make things happen, somebody who's not going to quit when times get tough. Because trust me, times are going to get tough, but you have to be able to persevere and not quit. Number 3, be an action taker, not an action talker. So take action. In my step-by-step program, I help people to take the steps that's required to start their adult day program. However, you have people that learn all these things, learn all the steps that's required to start their adult day program and just sit on the information and not do anything about it. You have to be an action taker. You have to be able to implement the steps that's required to get things done. You have to be able to implement the steps that's required to have and start your adult day program. Number 4, provide person-centered services. So you have to be willing to set up services that are person-centered for the individuals that you support. So for example, if one of your individuals' goals is to get a job in the community, what services do you have in place to help them reach those goals? Do you have resume building services? Do you have interviewing techniques, skills available? Do you have computer training? What services do you have available to help them to reach their goals? Make sure your services aren't set up for this one-all-fits-all situation. It needs to be helping the individual to grow, whatever their growth desires are, whatever their goal desires are, not a one-all-fit-all stop shop. And lastly, number 5, be willing to invest in help when you are stuck. So back to being a quitter. Things are going to get tough. You want to seek out assistance and support when you're stuck. And you want to make sure you implement those steps when you seek out that assistance and support so that you can start a profitable adult day program. It's all in the mindset, people. You have to change your way of thinking, okay? So let me do a recap real quick for the ones in the back. Number 1, know your why. Number 2, have perseverance. Number 3, be an action taker. Number 4, provide person-centered services. And number 5, be willing to invest and help when you are stuck. So if you found this information helpful and you know somebody looking to start an adult day program, share it. If this resonated with you and you like it and subscribe to it. If you want to start a profitable adult day program, let's chat. I will attach a link in the video description, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.